Whether it's a party, a bar special, or a distillery tasting, this whiskey smoked set can instantly elevate the style. Place the smoked lid on the wine glass. Add an appropriate amount of wood chips. Use torch to fully ignite wood chips. Cover the lid and let it sit for 30 seconds to taste the rich smoky flavor. Support exclusive customization. The packaging and accessories of the set can be printed with your brand logo or exclusive design. Whether it's around bars, distilleries, or customized gift merchants, it can meet the needs